Arabic Majlis is a traditional seating area commonly found in Arabian homes. It's a place where family and friends gather to relax, socialize, and enjoy each other's company. If you're looking to bring this captivating aesthetic into your home, we have you covered. 1. Planning the space. Before diving into the design process, it's essential to plan your space effectively. Consider the size and layout of your living area. Arabic Majlis can be adapted to fit various spaces, whether small or large. Take measurements and determine how you want to arrange the seating area. 2. Choosing the furniture. The heart of any Arabic Majlis is its furniture. Look for pieces that combine comfort with intricate designs. Traditional sofas and floor cushions adorned with beautiful patterns and embroidery work wonders. Remember to select furniture that complements your overall interior design theme. 3. Selecting the color palette. To create an authentic Arabic Majlis atmosphere, choose a color palette that reflects the rich heritage and culture. Warm earth tones like deep reds, oranges, and golden hues work wonderfully. 4. Enhancing with decorative elements. Decorative elements play a crucial role in completing the Arabic Majlis look. Adorn your space with lanterns, intricately patterned rugs, and plush cushions. These elements add depth and character, elevating the overall ambience. 5. Lighting and ambience. Lighting sets the mood in any space, and Arabic Majlis is no exception. Opt for soft, warm lighting to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Table lamps, wall sconces, and dimmable overhead lights are